Welcome to Bill, a Technology Reviewer. Got that coming up next. Welcome to Bill, a Technology Reviewer. What is Bill, a Technology Reviewer all about? Let's take a look at the original intro from back in 2017 and find out.
The reason I created this YouTube channel was I've gone out there and I've looked at reviews. I love technology. And the one thing that I have found in looking at all the reviews, and there are a lot of quality, good quality reviews out there, I was having to fast forward through quite a few of them to find out the information that I needed. So I decided to go ahead and create this YouTube channel with the express purpose in mind for you as a consumer to find out exactly what you need without a lot of fluff to be able to empower you to make the decision that's right for you.
Now, the mission hasn't changed. We're still here to bring you clear, concise reviews in a timely manner. What has changed is the scope of what we will be looking at. It's been updated to include drone and drone-related accessories, ham and ham radio accessories, action camera, audio plus accessories, vehicles and related accessories, household electronics and accessories, household consumer products and accessories, and much, much more. Now, we'll also be doing live streams, giveaways, and a lot more. As always, remember, it's a great day to tech.